Buddhism is a faith that was founded by Siddhartha Gautama or the Buddha more than 2,500 years ago in India, with about 470 million followers. Scholars consider Buddhism as one of the major world religions. Its practice has historically been most prominent in East and Southeast Asia, but its influence is growing in the West. Many Buddhist ideas and philosophies overlap with those of other faiths. Rituals, as important elements of human life, have been a significant aspect of Buddhist practice since the time of the Buddha. Rituals are a form of language that expresses many dimensions of our human condition, including our relationship to others and our spiritual life. As actions done with others to share our common values, rituals help create community and mutual support. Buddhism incorporates a variety of rituals and practices, which are intended to aid in the journey to enlightenment and bring blessings onto oneself and to others. In addition to meditation, the Mahayana schools of Buddhism have developed a variety of other ritual and devotional practices, many of which were inspired or influenced by the existing religious cultures of India, China, Japan, Southeast Asia, and Tibet. The articles in these sections provide an overview of some of the main Buddhist sacred rituals and practices. Buddhist meditation is a form of mental concentration that leads ultimately to enlightenment and spiritual freedom. Meditation occupies a central place in all forms of Buddhism, but has developed characteristics variation in different Buddhist traditions. Mudras are symbolic gestures used symbolically in Buddha images and in practice to evoke particular ideas or Buddhas in the mind during the Buddhist meditation or ritual, like symbols held by saints in Christian art or by gods in Hindu art. Buddhist mudras indicate the identity of a Buddha or a particular scene being depicted. While there are a large number of esoteric mudras, there are 10 main ones, of which 5 are most commonly used in Buddha images. Each of the 5 Dhyani Buddhas assigned one of the 5 mudras, which they are invariably depicted in art. We are to present to you the proper gestures in ritual meditation of the Buddhists.
Good morning. In this video, we are going to present you the mudras. The mudras is one of the Buddhist rituals and practices. The mudras is a symbolic gestures used symbolically in Buddha images. There are a large number of esoteric mudras. There are 10 main ones, of which 5 are most commonly used. In this video, we are going to present you the 5 most commonly used in Buddha images and rituals. Let us start with the first one. Okay, I'm going to show you the Bhumisparsha mudra. You have to sit here with your legs crossed together. Your left feet should be on top of your right feet, and your right feet should be on top of your left feet. Your right hand should be seen on top of your left knee. Okay? And your left hand should be seen palm upright on your lap. The 5 fingers of your right hand should be extended to touch the ground. That's it. This is the Bhumisparsha mudra gesture. Okay, I'm going to show you the Abhaya mudra gesture. You have to use your right hand, bend your arm. Your hand is held up high and your palm is facing outwards. Your fingers should be straight. These figures or this gesture is mostly used in Buddha images. That's it. Dharmakra mudra. I will show you on how to do this gesture. You have to use your both hands, the left and the right. Now, place them in front of your chest. The thumb and the index finger of both hands should touch at their tip to form a circle. The three fingers should be straight. Now, turn your left palm to face your heart and turn your left palm. The middle finger of your left should touch the joining place of your thumb and your index.
Before I introduce to you the fourth and fifth mudras, I will introduce first my name. My name is Heidi Marie Evangelista, Bachelor of Elementary Education. The fourth mudra. The fourth mudra is Dhyana mudra. Dhyana is commonly used in the Mahayana tradition of Buddhism, a path of compassion of all living beings. With this hand gesture, you place the right hand on the top of the left hand, palms face up, and thumbs slightly touch. The fifth mudra and the last mudra. Varada mudra is a mudra and indicates a gesture by the hand and symbolizes dispensing of boons. For Varada mudra, the right hand is used. It is held out with palm uppermost and the fingers pointing downward. At this point of the tutorial, we are done in presenting to you the proper gestures in meditation and rituals of Buddhism. We hope that you have learned so much on our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.